Revive your ride, the ultimate guide to restoring faded car trim. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be reviving your ride by providing the ultimate guide to restoring faded car trim. Is your car's plastic trim looking dull, faded, and tired? Don't despair. We're here to show you how to bring it back to life and make your car look showroom ready again. Get ready to transform your vehicle with these easy and effective DIY methods. Before you even think about applying any product, a thorough cleaning is absolutely essential. Think of it as prepping a canvas before painting a masterpiece. We need to remove all the dirt, grime, grease, old wax residue, and anything else that's clinging to the plastic. This ensures the restoration product can properly bond and do its job. Grab an all-purpose cleaner specifically designed for automotive use. These cleaners are formulated to be tough on grime, but gentle on your car's surfaces. Spray the cleaner liberally onto the faded trim, making sure to cover every inch. Don't be shy. Now for the fun part, detailing. A detailing brush is your secret weapon here. These brushes have soft bristles that can get into all the nooks and crannies of textured trim, dislodging stubborn dirt. Gently scrub the trim with the brush, paying close attention to any areas with heavy buildup. You'll be amazed at what comes off. Once you've scrubbed every inch, wipe away the excess cleaner with a clean, high-quality microfiber towel. These towels are super absorbent and won't scratch your car's delicate surfaces. Make sure the trim is completely dry before moving on to the next step. For the ultimate clean, consider a final wipe down with isopropyl alcohol, IPA, with a concentration between 70 to 90%. IPA helps to remove any remaining oils, silicones, or waxes that could interfere with the restoration process. This step is especially important if you've used any silicone-based products on your trim in the past. Now for the exciting part, restoring that faded trim. There are several fantastic products on the market designed specifically for this purpose. These trim restorers contain special polymers and UV protectants that penetrate the plastic, replenishing its natural oils and restoring its original color. Apply a trim restorer to the plastic using a microfiber or foam applicator. These applicators are designed to distribute the product evenly and prevent streaks. Work the product into the plastic thoroughly using small circular motions. Make sure to cover every inch of the faded trim. After applying the restorer, remove any excess product with a clean, dry microfiber towel. This step is crucial to prevent the trim from feeling sticky or greasy. Gently buff the trim until it looks smooth and even. Allow the plastic to dry for the recommended time, as specified on the product label. Some products may require several hours to fully cure, so be patient. Avoid touching the trim during this time to prevent smudging or streaking. Let's talk about some specific product examples that have proven to be highly effective. Chemical Guides Tire Plus Trim Gel. This is a thick, oil-based gel that's perfect for nourishing and moisturizing faded trim. It's easy to apply and leaves a long-lasting shine. Solution Finish Trim Restorer. This product is known for its ability to restore even the most severely faded trim. Apply a thin coat, let it dry, and wipe off any excess. Pearl Coat by CarPro. This versatile product is suitable for plastics, rubber, and leather, making it a great all-in-one solution for your car's interior and exterior. As an alternative, you can use trim dressings. These products provide a quick and easy way to enhance the appearance of your trim. However, keep in mind that dressings typically wash away after 3 to 6 weeks and need to be reapplied frequently. Before you dive in, let's cover some important considerations to ensure a safe and successful restoration. Applying a trim restorer to a dirty surface is a big no-no. It can seal in the filth and potentially cause further damage. Always clean the trim thoroughly before applying any product. Using the right tools is essential for achieving professional-looking results. Invest in high-quality microfiber towels and applicators. An edgeless detailing cloth with a 300 GSM microfiber blend is highly recommended. Safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working with chemical products. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling harmful fumes. For best results, apply the trim restorer to a clean, cool surface in the shade. Avoid working in direct sunlight as this can cause the product to dry too quickly and lead to streaking. Once you've restored your car's trim, it's important to maintain it properly to prevent future fading. Here are some tips. Regularly clean the trim with gentle automotive soap and water. This will help to remove dirt and grime before they can cause damage. Use a water-based dressing to prevent future fading. These dressings contain UV protectants that shield the plastic from the sun's harmful rays. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive tools, as these can damage the trim. Stick to gentle cleaning products and soft cloths. You may have heard about using a heat gun or torch to melt the plastic and restore its color. While this method can provide a temporary fix, it's generally not recommended. Heating the plastic can cause it to become brittle and crack over time. It's also very easy to damage the plastic if you're not careful. If you choose to use this method, proceed with extreme caution and only as a last resort. Don't let faded trim ruin the look of your car. With these simple steps and the right products, you can easily restore your car's plastic trim and make it look like new again. So, grab your cleaning supplies, choose your favorite trim restorer, and get ready to transform your ride. Now it's your turn. Head to your garage, gather your supplies, and start restoring your car's faded trim today. Share your before and after photos with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see your amazing transformations. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful car care tips and tricks. Let's get those cars looking their best.